Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to add custom domain to your bloggers Blogspot. This is the my Blogspot website, so I log into the dashboard. I already purchased the domain from Namecheap domain register. Okay friends, now I am going to blogger dashboard and click on settings. Then I can find this type of window. Then go to the publishing. Then you can find the custom domain here. Click on custom domain. Then you can add your domain name. Okay, go to the Namecheap. Click on domain list. If you have more than one domain, you can find this domain list. Okay, I want to add this domain to the my blogspot websites. Okay, click on select the domain you want to add. Click on manage. Okay friends, then you can find this type of DNS editors. Go to the advanced DNS editors. Okay, friends, now you can see here, if you have at any previous record, you can delete all previous records. I have not any previous record to add web servers for this domain. If you please check your this list. If you have any previous records, you can delete here. Okay, I want to add this domain to my blogspot webs. Type www dot with your domain name. Okay, this is my domain name. Click on save. Okay friends, now you have to add these records your DNS record of Namecheap accounts. Okay, I use Namecheap. If you use a GoDaddy or a registrar, you can find similar process. Okay, according to instruction, I want to create CNAME record and add this one. Okay, go to the here and click on actions. Okay, I want to add record, add new record. Okay, CNAME record, click on CNAME, then according to this one, www, type the www as host. Okay, this is the value. Okay, click on write marks. Okay, yes. Okay, go again here and find this one. We want to add another CNAME record. Okay, find this one, copy, add new records, CNAME record. You want to put this as a host. Okay, please remove the last characteristics comma, don't put a comma. Okay, destinations. Okay, add the destination here. Go to advanced DNS. Okay, click on write marks. Okay, friends, I completed all workings in advanced DNS editor of Namecheap accounts. If you purchase domain from GoDaddy or others domain registrar, you can do the same process with their DNS editor. Okay, friends, now you can save this one. If you add everything correctly, you can save this one. I try to save. Okay, it is saved now. Also please turn on this one, redirect domains. Okay friends, please follow these steps. It will take 2 or 3 hours to activate your domain with bloggers. If you have any question related this regarding this one, please comment below. Thanks for watching. If you want to see my next video, please subscribe. Thanks. Have a nice day.